My name is Ashley Christopher and I'm a senior at Massachusetts High School this year. My favorite part about community groups is being able to talk to these people that I wouldn't normally talk to that experience life differently than me, but we all come together for the same purpose. Through community groups, I met Kaylee Davis, who on looking outside, we didn't seem like we had very much in common. I've gone to public school my whole life and she's homeschooled. My family is not very big, but she has a huge family. But through community groups and getting to know each other, we kind of realized that we have a lot in common. And now I can call her one of my closest friends, when before I probably wouldn't even stop to talk to her, just because we don't seem like we have very much in common. And because of community groups, I'm able to have a relationship with her that is very important. And having people like that to go to whenever I need help with something is why I think everybody should be in a community group.